Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I got an unboxing. Yes, I got an unboxing. Yes. So if you here to see what I got in this hair box, y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this hair unboxing. Girl done grabbed something from Louis Vuitton. Yes, I done got bit by the luxury bug. Yes, I did, y'all. So I'm having a little fun. And then I also noticed that y'all really enjoy my luxury unboxings. Y'all to subscribe to my channel and also thumbs up these videos and share them so I can continue to share luxury hauls and unboxings with you all. So with that being said, it just came not too long ago. This is the back of the box because in the front it has all my information. I'm going to go and pull this here tab because if y'all didn't know, they boxes come whereas though you don't need a box cutter. Just when you thought you buy a box cutter, you don't need them on certain boxes. But before I get into the unboxing, I just wanted to share my new addition to the family. Probably by the time you see this video, you may have already saw this hair unboxing, but let me just tell y'all how I love this bag so much to the point where I am going to get her hot stamped. Because I wasn't sure at first because again I wanted to make sure I was loving the bag. I do love her, so now I can go ahead and personalize her with my initials. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you all really quick. Of course, you know I'm gonna do a review and what fits in here and how it looks on me and all of that, so make sure don't miss out on that. So here is the inside of the box and it says Louis Vuitton. Like, okay, Miss Tamika, what did you get? I know y'all, oh my gosh, y'all, I can never get sick and tired of luxury packaging. Like, I am a sucker for packaging. Selling something and it's in cute packaging, I'm buying it. Like, for real. A person that's in the grocery store that will buy a seasoning because the packaging is cute. Like, that's how bad it is, y'all. Here's the receipt. And I share all of this because, again, this is what I do here on my channel when I share unboxings.
You get your Louis Vuitton, thanks for shopping. You get your exchange and return slip. Then I have my receipt. And then, like I always say, I always write something to myself which says, I wrote to myself, I love you. I think I said I love you or love you. Yeah, I said love you. So, yeah, I always write a little note to myself.
Now, this hair piece is sold out. So, I'm going to look through it carefully after I film the video to make sure everything is everything, because I've been hearing the time quality isn't as good as it used to be. A while since I purchased Louis Vuitton, back when I was getting Louis Vuitton bags back in, I think it was like 2010, something like that. I didn't have issues with my Louis Vuitton items, but like I said, it's been a while, so I've been hearing a lot of people complain about the quality of Louis Vuitton and things like that. So once I do my unboxing, I am going to again look through this item and make sure it's everything because it is sold out online. And when I saw that it was available, because it comes in 2 colors, I saw that this particular color was available, I jumped on it. Like, I jumped on it, and then like a week later, with me checking the tracking of my item, I noticed the item was sold out. So I'm like, okay, I don't like to mess up the ribbons, y'all. So here is your pull tab. It's a little tight, so I'm gonna have to. Now wait a minute, Louis Vuitton. Alright, this a little tight, so hopefully it's tight, meaning that it's spanking brand new. Oh goodness. Ooh, child. But yeah, here is the inside. So as you can see, it is a SLG, which stands for small leather goods, if y'all didn't know. We are, and y'all, I had to double check and make sure it was the right color. Now wait a minute. So here is the item that I purchased, and I got myself the Louis Vuitton key pouch in the leather print. And this is my very, 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 very first leather item. I remember back when I saw a leather bag, but I think the artsy leather bag, that's the bag I was looking at way back when, and that bag was like $3,000. And at the time, I just couldn't justify $3,000, so that's why I ended up with the artsy and the monogram print, which I still love. Not my style anymore, so I am looking to sell that particular bag. So if anyone is interested in purchasing that bag, just email me at miss_Tamika@yahoo.com, and we can work something out. That particular item, I did watch a lot of reviews. Like, again, I research my bags, I watch videos, I watch reviews all the way up until the day I get my item, because I just want to make sure everything is everything. Now, I did see a video from, I think her name Minx for All, and she had this item, I think a little over 3 to 4 years ago, and she had issues with glazing and the material on the side like coming apart. And I did hear her mention that change the whatever it was they used to glaze items like this, they ended up changing it, because I think she said they also had issues with that Louis Vuitton bag that has the handle. What is that? The Matisse? I think that's it. And a lot of people had issues with glazing and all of that. So I heard her mention that they did change the glazing material, or whatever they was using to glaze their items. They ended up changing it and redoing it because of the fact that a lot of people complain, because she had two. She had this and red, and she ended up having to return them, and they ended up giving her a store credit. And so that's why I was like, okay, when I get my item, I'm going to make sure everything is everything. But looking at it, the glazing looks like perfect. Like, it doesn't look like it's missing a beat or anything like that. Like, it doesn't look like it may cause me any issues. Will say that when it comes to a defect or you having issues with your items, Louis Vuitton was always on point with any issues that I had. The only issue I remember having was with my Speedy. I didn't like the way the piping was around the bag. It was a little off, or it wasn't even, so I did take the bag in. But the only thing with that was when they replaced the piping, half of the bag was patina one way, and then I had this brand new bright patina piping. But they did replace it free of charge because it still was under warranty. How things will work after your warranty is over, because I had a problem with it was within my warranty. So again, with her issue, it was past her warranty, and they still was able to accommodate her. The gold looks perfect, no scratches, because I'm just looking at the button to make sure. As you can see, the button is in perfect condition. We really didn't need this, you all, but this was at a good price, and I wanted a piece of Louis Vuitton leather, because this here item, this Alma BB, I was looking in the empreinte leather. I think that's how you say. I was looking in the leather, like the empreinte in this, but it's sold out. Like, again, everything that I was looking for was sold out, because I was actually going to treat myself to a bag that costs a little more money, if y'all get what I'm saying. But everything that I was falling in love with was sold out. So I was like, okay, I love this style of bag so much. If the Alma BB in the leather print ever come back available, I may look into purchasing that particular bag. Sure, what's up with that? Like, I don't know why, because anytime I purchased something in the past, I never had issues with things sold out. And one thing I do miss is the fact that back then I had an SA, so now I don't. And having an SA helps out a lot too, because you could call your SA and be like, hey, you got this, and they'll say yes or no. And if they say yeah, they'll hold the item for you, because there's a lot of times I'll be like, hey, you got this, and they be like, yeah, and I'll be like, can you hold it, I'm on my way down there, or something like that. So I do miss having an SA. If you know any good SAs here in the Atlanta area, let me know, because I do want to get an SA again. Not that I'm gonna be purchasing a whole bunch of things, but it's just good to have a SA, because like one year for my birthday, I didn't buy a big bag, but I brought like I brought small items And by me having an essay, you know, she took me in the bag. She had, you know, I had wine. She brought me, you know, she treated me like a princess that day. Everybody that was with me that day, we all was treated really, really special. And again, I didn't spend, you know, a whole bunch of money, but she just treated me so nice, again, because it was my birthday. She had gave me a little cake. I had wine. It was just a really, really nice experience. But of course, she doesn't work there anymore, because I really, 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 truly, truly, truly miss her, because she was so bomb and she treated me nice. She would text me pictures, because you know I didn't live close. Well, I don't live, at the time I didn't live that close, and she would text me pictures. Seeing like I remember I was looking at I think it was the Graceful way back when I think when it first came out. She sent me pictures. She sent me pictures in the inside. She actually modeled the bag for me. Like, she just did a lot. And that's why it's good to have a relationship with, you know, people at, you know, these type of stores. If I didn't mention, this hair item is made in France. And you have your little Louis Vuitton tags. What time is it? And I love this hair leather. This empreinte leather. That's why I wanted it in the Alma BB, because it's so soft. Like, it's not stiff at all. And here you have a back zipper. I know Louis Vuitton is known for their smooth zippers. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this here for. A lot of people take this off, but watching Minks for All video, she did mention that when you move something from your item, like say I take this off and I have an issue with it, they won't touch it. So if I do decide to take this off, I need to make sure I'm able to put it back on, which I know you can, because she was able to put hers back on. But I don't think I will take this hair part off. Don't see me taking it off. But yeah, because like if this comes with the item and you have issues with it, they won't touch it if this is missing. So like say you have an issue, make sure you put everything back to how it was, so they can, you know, service your bag and things like that. So like I said, looking at it, everything looks perfect. Yeah, let me grab my AirPods really quick, because we could just see if my AirPods will fit. Okay, so you can put AirPods in here. So this is an item that I may just put, like, I don't know, different things in here, because I do have a few card cases already. Like I have my Louis Vuitton card case that I love so much. So I have that, and then I also have, oh yeah, I can put this in here. And then let's see something else. Y'all know I have this Hermes lip balm, so you can fit that in there. Let's say we're going to put this in here as well. So hold on, let me see. So as you can see, you can use this for other things besides cards, because I have my lip balm and I also have my AirPods. And if I didn't mention, I have the AirPod Pros. So if you have the smaller ones, I'm sure they should fit as well, because the AirPod Pros are a little wider versus the regular AirPods. Yeah, that fits in there really well. And with this leather being so soft, I can just see the leather just forming along with whatever you put in here. And let's just say, let me see, I think I have a okay, so I have hand sanitizer, and let's just say this is my particular mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and stuff my mask in here, and voila, as you can see, that fits in here as well. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this as a card case. Maybe the little thing that I'll put, you know, like my lip balm and maybe my AirPods. You can put cash in here. Do I have any cash? Let me see. So I do have some cash, not a lot. So I have $2, y'all. I'm rich, y'all. Don't come for me because I'm balling. But yeah, this here particular wallet, you cannot put your cash the long way. You do have to fold it. I did watch a video where a lady had an issue with folding her cash. I don't have an issue with folding my cash. If I do decide to have cash, like I will fold it in half and just tuck it in like so, and then close it and be done with it. You can put cash in here. I think this big ass Chanel lotion will fit. Okay, now hold on. I wouldn't recommend putting that inside of here, because as you can see, it's really making the wallet look crazy. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend putting nothing like that inside of here. But y'all know I shared this here item and I got this from Target. So this will fit if you do decide to carry your face mask. Personally, I probably would take it out of this here particular case and just throw it inside of here. I may just use this to put my lip balms. Like again, I have this one here, and then I also have my AirPods, and voila. And let's just say I want to put cash in here. So again, I have my lip balm, my AirPods, and I will tuck in my cash. And as you can see, it do still close. Now the only thing with this here, this is why I didn't turn this into one of my key wallets, is because of the fact that this is pretty heavy, and I don't have a keyless car right now. Because I'm getting a new car pretty soon. But yeah, right now I don't have a keyless car. Go and start my car, I have to actually put my key in the ignition. With this here, this is pretty heavy, and I wouldn't want to weigh down my keys, because with this here, this is not really that heavy. Usually just keep my key and just turn it and, you know, do like so. And like I said, this is not that heavy. I'm not sure if I will switch eventually into this as a extra, like my key thing. Like once I get my, like I said, I haven't gotten my new car yet, but I am claiming my new car in the name of Jesus. When I get my new car, it will be a keyless entry type of situation, so I can just keep my key fob on here and then maybe throw the key fob in here and just have this in the car. Because with keyless cars, you don't have to have your, you just need to have your key fob. Make this video really long because you know I'm gonna do a part 2. I'm going to do a review on this hair key pouch. So with that being said, you all, here is my new baby. So far so good. I don't see no piping issues, glazing issues, hardware issues, or anything like that. So again, this is a keeper. She will be kept in my collection, and you will be seeing a part 2, which will be the review like I stated before. With that being said, if you like this hair video, please give this video a big thumbs up, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.